as we are going to be moving into a rising trot, your cue is going to be a click, click, and squeeze both sides. Now you want to make sure that you want to keep that lower leg, and you're a little slow with your trotting. It's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, rise and fall with the outside wall. So it'll be follow that outside front shoulder is when you're going to go up. Now right now you are not in rhythm, so you need to find that rhythm. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and you're just going to lift your pelvis forward just a little bit and then sit back down. Let the horse bounce you out of the saddle. Come on. You have to squeeze with the lower leg, but not with the ankle. You're actually going to squeeze with a little bit more of the inside of your calf and lower leg. There you go. And so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down. There you go. Now you got to find that rhythm, because each horse is going to be totally different than each other horse. So that's how you're going to work it. Now we're going to make the difference between doing a rising trot and then going to a sitting trot. So what you're going to do is you're going to quiet your lower back, and you're going to tilt slightly back when it's time to go into a sitting trot. So click, click, button number 2, both sides, and let's trot. Come on. There you go. Now let's start with the rising trot. Up, down, up, down. Just quiet that rise. What? Down, up, down, up, down. It's also more forward trot. Okay. Now you're going to sit down, but keep the trot. Sit back, sit the trot. There you go. Now release your pelvis and just follow the horse. It's going to feel really weird. It's going to jiggle your guts. There you go. There you go. Good. Good. Keep going. Just relax the trot. Push your weight down in your heels. Good job. Now sit back, say, whoa. You're going to squeeze your glutes. Sit back till the horse stops. Now release with your seat. Good job. So here's the thing. If you want to go from a rising trot, keep your eyes forward. Keep your eyes forward. So rising trot, rising trot, rising trot. Now your horse should slow down into the sitting trot. So ready? Come on, keep your hurt. You got to keep squeezing. And now sit the trot. Now let your guts just move around. Yes, there you go. There you go. Keep those hands down low. Thumbs up. Remember, hold those coffee cups straight. There you go. That's much, much better. A sitting trot is going to feel like you're bouncing around like crazy, but as long as you can keep your eyes forward and not jiggling around, you're going to be able to master that sitting trot. Now, when you get really good is when you drop your stirrups, and that's the next episode, but good job, Johnny. Thank you so much for joining us in today's lesson, and if you enjoyed the lesson, give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And to see more trotting exercises, check out our trotting playlist.